the kind of misdeeds that he has carried on, it's dangerous to keep this man in office for even one more day. If he continues for 8 more days, God knows how many other people he will protect and what he will do. And you're saying, let's get Prasenjit in the debate, because Prasenjit, so far everybody says no action can be taken against Ranjit Sinha. I mean, at least there should be on moral grounds, the man should be forced to quit. Pressure should be put on him. In some way,
Absolutely.
is the entire system too weak to act against Ranjit Sinha? And if so, how? Why? Prasenjit.
Yeah, I think that the CBI director's position has become completely untenable. He should have resigned if he had even an iota of shame. He should have resigned immediately after the Supreme Court has come up with these observations. But, I want to point out to a larger, how the sanctity and very integrity of the institutions, the premier institutions of our country are getting completely subverted. And the faith of the people in these institutions are getting completely subverted. This has been one of the biggest scams in the history of post-independence India. The BJP has come to power campaigning against corruption by the former government. And you have to note that the exposure of the CBI director has not come from the BJP. I would like to question what the government has been doing. When this CBI director was meeting these corporate lobbyists, what was the government doing? Why didn't the government pin him down? Why does it have to be, the initiative of an NGO of, the Center for Public Interest Litigation to go and tell the Supreme Court, and then the Supreme Court will come and say that the CBI director is, he has to recuse himself. I mean, let us hand over governance in our country to the Supreme Court. Where is the government?
Yeah, Mr. Rao. I think
a lot of this happened during Congress regime. I think here. No, I think you seem to be.
No, you came to power in May.
To get a Congress representative on the panel.
This is November.
But we have not perpetrated the scam. I wish, Arnab, Supreme Court has actually asked for removal of the officer if they really felt so. Because we cannot be transgressing the guidelines prepared by the CBI. They have to be followed, strictly followed. Only CVC is authorized to even ask for his removal. We cannot do it. The government is completely helpless in this manner.
No, but why aren't you demanding it as a party? As a party, you demand it.
Has been fixed.
As a party, you demand it.
The Supreme Court has
as a party, you demand it. No, one minute. By the way, relevant question here.